Ayo! Nay! Palit ko guys!
Right. Okay.
Okay.
He go very well. I see you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Big one.
So nagkikita-kita pa rin kami kasi...
Take two. I'm getting more smell though. Now, stand back a little bit.
Yeah. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Friday and it's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon. And ngayon ay nagla-lunch break si ate nyo kasama ang inyong baby Parisyang. Hello, nak. Huh? Buy soap? I thought you were selling ice. Okay, mama's gonna buy ice. Come on. Ito yung kanyang tindahan daw, guys. Nagbebenta siya ng ice. Ice cream. Ayo! Nay! Palit ko guys! Ha? Money? Okay, how much? Okay. Can I please have a pink ice? Kulba kay bago. Wow, may lalagyan ng pera. Can I please have a pink and blue ice? Please?
Pink, blue ice.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Kadugay ba na ng tinderaha, oy?
Samay?
Yeah, that's my money. I paid you.
Samay?
Money, yes. Thank you. I want ice, please. Here you go, another money.
No.
Give me ice, please.
Okay. Samay?
Ice.
Okay, okay, ice.
Ice. Nagampo ko man yung tindera. Dugay, magpakagawas. Where's my ice, please?
Oh.
Thank you very much. Yummy, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Can I have another one, please? A
Okay.
white one?
White ice?
Yes, please.
Samay?
Yeah, that's my money.
Mommy, come with this ice.
I'll have a red one then.
You have that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
He go very well. I see you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Big one?
Naglalaro kami ng ganito, guys, kasi walang childcare si Paris. And then, matutulog na to siya after nito. Are you going to sleep after this?
No.
Oh, shush, nalibang ka, nak?
No.
Okay. Dili halata.
No.
Hi guys! It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And you know what, guys? Meron akong headache.
Ow! Ow!
Ow! Oh, shush! The baby fell down! Yun yung ating baby girl. Actually, guys, meron pala kaming yung isa sa mga colleague ko, guys, nag-set siya ng parang meeting sa amin ngayon, this afternoon. Parang catch up lang ba? And kanina pa yun, mga 15 minutes ago, and yung bestie ko ay nagme-message na kung saan na daw ako. Sakit kasi ng ulo ko, guys. We'll see. Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa nila.
Hey, Jovi.
Hi! Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to say hi, really, and see everyone. I don't have any drinks with me.
What's happening here?
Paris, we can hear in the background.
Yeah.
Let's just say, why don't you have a drink?
It's now 7:30 ng gabi and nandito na ako sa couch ngayon nagpa-relax. Actually, kanina yung catch up namin natapos siya mga 6:30 and then pagkatapos ng catch up namin, pumunta ako ng bed and then si Paris ay nakatulog kasi hindi siya nagnap kaninang hapon kaya ayun siya natutulog. However, gigisingin ko na yan siya very soon kasi pag matagal yung tulog niya, baka magising siya ng mga midnight. Our catch-up before was really good. It's so nice talaga na makita yung mga colleagues mo and we really do miss each other kasi it's been a long time na hindi kami nagkikita-kita. We're very happy na meron kaming way or means na para magkita-kita kahit lockdown. May meeting naman kami during weekdays, so nagkikita-kita pa rin kami kasi we're doing video call meeting all the time. However, iba talaga yung meeting namin or catch up namin during Friday afternoon kasi pag meeting namin during weekdays, parang ano ang tawag dito, business talaga ba? Like, we're talking numbers and all. Pero pag like kanina, yung pag-uusapan lang is parang general. How's everyone? Anong gagawin namin sa weekend? And all, yung mga ganun. So, dinidisregard namin yung business side kapag Friday afternoon catch up namin. So, I joined the video call mga siguro, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Tapos nagbabay na ako. They were still chatting guys nung umalis ako. But I said, kailangan ko nang ipadedi si Paris. Kaya umalis ako. Anyways, ngayon guys, hinihintay ko lang ang aming food kasi I couldn't be bothered. It's been a long week, super tiring week. Mike and I couldn't be bothered cooking, kaya hindi kami nagluto. I feel so tired guys. Like seriously, makikita niyo naman siguro sa aking mga mata. Gusto ko nang matulog. But yeah, so nag-Uber Eats na lang kami ng pizza for dinner. Tingnan niyo guys, oh. 7:40 to 8 o'clock. 7 o'clock ko to siya in order. Ang tagal umabot. Grabe, pero your order is on the way na naman daw. Kaya we'll see how it goes. Sana wala silang naiwan like last time. Si Daddy Mike nandito sa kusina kasi nagluluto kami ng mama noodles. Kasi 'di ba nag-order kami ng pizza kanina pero not enough for Daddy. Daddy, is the pizza not enough for you?
Not enough. Not enough
Are you
for
still
me.
hungry?
I definitely am hungry.
Yeah, so that's why. And Daddy Mac's supposed to cook one, but he's cooking one for me too. Aren't you, Daddy?
I definitely am.
Good job, Daddy. Alam niyo guys, very happy and siya. Well, can you share, Daddy, why are you so happy?
Because bonuses are getting paid. Which means that I'm getting more squilla. No, sorry. Take two. I'm getting more sweldo. No, stand back a little bit.
Yeah. Is that your happy dance? And you super saya ni Daddy Mike.
Bonuses are getting paid today.
Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mike, guys. Naglalaro ng kanyang PS4, ang ating big kid. And si Mami naman ay, tingnan yung ginagawa ko, guys. Nag-online shopping ako. Oy, di makita. Nag-online shopping ako ba ng tawag nito? For Paris. Kasi alam niyo na, sinasabi ko na, di ba, si Paris ay lumalaki na talaga. Yung mga damit niya ay sobrang, tight na para sa kanya. Kaya naghahanap ako ng may sale. Sale online. Ayan. Let's see kung meron tayong makita para kay baby girl. Luto na guys ang ating noodles. Nilagyan ni Daddy Mike ng egg. Ayan. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Ayan, Daddy Mike. So, kain muna tayo.
You're welcome.
Second dinner.
My love.
Hi. Hello. Come to mommy. Come. Oh, how are you, my love? Baby ni mama. La 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 la. La 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 la. Not the bubbles, bubbles.
There's only that watching another day.
What's Daddy watching?
It's watching TikTok.
Watching TikTok. Shush, palangga ni Mama. Say, hi guys. Hi guys. Say, shush. I woke up. What time is it now, Daddy?
Mommy, look.
Is it nearly 10? Oh no. What time is she going back to sleep?
Mommy?
Yes, my love.
Dusche.
The baby cat is drinking milk. Oh, share. Share to Daddy cat. Hala, gising na ang ating baby girl.
We got me drink milk.
Baby cat.
The baby cat's drinking milk.
Meow.
Share, that's right.
Meow.
That's the cotton.
Daddy cat's turn.
Ooh.
Oh,
Drinking
guys, it's already 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock at buhay na buhay pa ang mata ng ating baby girl. Daddy's cat turn.
The cat is 10.
Drinking milk. Meow. Give some to titas and titos.
I want to come home.
Say you want some milk, tita?
Milk, Tita. If Tito is still got 10.
Tito cat, yeah, Tito cat and tita cat. And you are the baby cat.
The cat.
Mm.
And shiny milk.
Yeah, that's right. Nanonood kami ng movie, guys. So, I don't know what movie is this.
Nigerian prince.
Nigerian Prince.
What's that? It's cat.
Share! Are you sharing with Daddy?
The share milk.
Oh, wow. Good girl, honey. Sharing is caring. What song was that, Nak?
It's sharing.
Nak. Sharing is caring. Let's share forever. What was that, Nak?
The share milk.
We can share. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy.
Try it.
Try, Daddy, try. Shush, big girl mo ng baby. Yummy, yummy. Finish now? Milk? No more milk. Paris had it all, Daddy. No more for you, Daddy cat. No more for...
Daddy, Papa's drinking milk.
No more.
No more milk. Finished. We have to buy more tomorrow. Hi guys, it's now 11:43 ng gabi and gising pa kaming lahat. Actually, si Daddy Mike at si Paris ay papasok mo dito sa... We're going to sleep now.
No.
Going to sleep. Pasensya na talaga guys at yan lang yung vlog natin for today kasi alam nyo naman na lockdown tayo. Wala tayong ibang nagagawa kundi dito lang sa bahay. Kaya sorry naman kung nabobore kayo sa mga vlogs natin. But sa mga nag-i-enjoy ng ating mga vlogs, maraming salamat sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga video. Oh, read the book. Come on, honey, we'll read the book. Okay, Mama, do a shout out. Welcome pala sa mga bago nating mga subscribers, guys. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, sana mag-subscribe na kayo, guys. We're just gonna do a quick shout out, guys. And the first shout out goes to Cain Bernales, Lynn Cayabyab, Redeliza Aporilio, and also pa-shout out daw kay Brother Priest Father Ferdy Aporilio, who is now assigned in Thailand. Hello po, God bless you. Shout out to Jenaline Balcorsa from Hinguog City. Shout out to Earl Kitsi. Shout out to Rosana Mansueto, Hilaska, Simply Reed. Shout out to Vicky Inot from Bukidnon, Kusha Basha, Maria Luz Ponyo from Tagaytay City, Robles Family Vlog. Shout out to Cherry Rose Lagos, Mavel Fernandez from Makati City. Shout out to Ruth Morales from Siargao Island, and also to her beloved 3 kids, John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Nori Aliada, Maricari Multa, Austria Maricel, Arin Panorel, Genevieve Tan, Cherry Salazar from Cordova, Condo, Makati, Philippines. Shout out to Leticia Gakutan from Macau, China. Shout out to Josie Carzano from Marikina City. Lailani Pitorio, Raquel's Vlog. Shout out to Raquel Carion Suminot from Pagadian City. Shout out to Pamela De La Torre from Zamboanga City. Shout out to Amethyst Drake, Angel Concepcion from Tarlac, Ritz Hermoso, Alicia Mutia, LM, Emmeline Himao, Rosemary La Rosa, Jubilee Notarte, Emelita Menor, Marivic Valcorza, Lilia Vibal, Bem Morales, Renar May Ricahuerta, Juvel Makilan. Shout out to Christine Namayan, Heidi Polgo, Kakarot Buzi from Iloilo. Shout out to Sally Saminiano, Pretty Me Angel, Perdan Catalan, Jeline Aguilar, Me ASMR, Donna Ladera, Jennifer Marquez, Elisa Samiliano, LV Montealegre, Arcel Mabalot Ang Saya Kahit Kailan, Glenn Macarayo, Charisma Abela, Connie Pascual B, Sharon Ando, Veronica Lazo, I Am Nads the Wise Mama, Mary Jane Subere, KD Jack 16. Shout out to Leonisa Malern, B Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. And shout out to Irish May Australia. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Mwah.